All right, today we're going to go over a tic-tac-toe project in Python. And yeah, let's just dive right in it. So here we have a board. Everything's going to correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we have player X starting first. So let's see, there we go. Okay, so we are going to, let's just go with center, so that would be 5. Okay, now we have 0 going. I'll just say he does 8. Nah, let's just say you have to. Oh, well, let's just do one more. Let's just say we have to stop the game for whatever reason. You have something to do. We're gonna quit. Here we have the game is saved successfully. Game suspended. You can resume later. Let's see if this is the case. And yes, it is. We have the same exact board layout. Everything's good. So O is going to go next. So we'll type in 3 here. And fortunately, the script says X needs to win. So we'll just go diagonal. And it says X wins. So just a simple tic-tac-toe project. Can do a lot with tic-tac-toe. Can do a lot with Python. But yep, there's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. You learned something. And I will see you all next time.